Hey shareholders! Did you know SEBI, with a view to simplify the e-voting login process for individual shareholders holding securities in Demat mode, has allowed you to cast your electronic vote through your Demat accounts, maintained with depositories and depository participants. We'll tell you how. There are many ways. All you have to do is follow the right one for you. CDSL's e-voting facility enables every shareholder to participate and cast electronic votes for AGM, EGM, postal ballots and more. You can now cast your votes online from anywhere, anytime. Easy, easiest. All individual shareholders holding securities in CDSL's Demat account can avail e-voting through Easy or Easiest facility. Step 1. Visit the website. Press the login button on the screen. Select New System My Easy. Log in through existing user ID and password. An option will be made available to reach the portals of all e-voting service providers, ESPs, without any further authentication. Step 2. Upon successful login, click on the e-voting option to view eligible companies which have active e-voting option in progress. Once redirected to the e-voting service providers page, you can cast your vote for remote e-voting period. You can thus directly access portals of all the e-voting service providers through a single sign-in process. You can register for CDSL's Easy and Easiest facility by using the link displayed on the screen. E-voting websites of all ESPs can also be accessed directly from CDSL's website with an OTP. Step 1. Shareholders can visit the website and click on the e-voting icon on the homepage. Enter your Demat account number and PAN number. Step 2. Use the OTP received on the registered mobile number and email for authentication. Step 3. After successful authentication, shareholders will be able to view the e-voting options, where the e-voting is in progress, and also directly access the websites of all e-voting service providers. 3. E-voting process can also be done through depository participants. E-voting login procedure for shareholders holding shares in Demat form other than individuals and physical form. Step 1. Log on to the e-voting website www.evotingindia.com. Click on the Shareholders module. Step 2. Enter your user ID as Demat account holders. Enter your 16 digits Demat account number. As shareholders holding shares in physical form, enter folio number registered with the company. Step 3. Enter the image verification as displayed and click on Login. Step 4. The first-time users and physical shareholders. A. Enter your 10-digit alphanumeric PAN issued by Income Tax Department. B. Enter either the dividend bank details or date of birth (DOB) as recorded in your Demat account or in the company records. Step 5. First-time users holding shares in Demat form will have to create a password for future voting through Password Creation menu. Existing non-individual Demat users may continue to use the existing password to cast their votes. The procedure for attending meeting and e-voting on the day of the AGM or EGM is the same as the instructions mentioned above for remote voting. The link for VC or OAVM to attend meeting will be available where the EVSN of the company will be displayed after successful login. In coherence with the SEBI initiative, we hope that this simplified e-voting process encourages higher voting participation from shareholders and increases the corporate governance levels.
Thank you. An initiative by CDSL, Investor Protection Fund.